Hi friends, if you are a serious blogger and creating content for community and that you want to distribute with membership, this video is for you. In this video we are going to overview a very good wonderful WordPress theme, and it is especially made for the content creation blog, and that blog can be shared based on membership. Even it can be shared in normal process, but yes, this is a specialized WordPress theme for content sharing, and it is also very good for general blogging website. So this is the target website in this video for us, and the theme that we are going to overview is Gridbee, and Gridbee is a specialized theme for content sharing. With Gridbee you are going to get multiple pre-made websites, and there are in fact 6 pre-made websites, and I believe one of these pre-made websites going to meet your requirements as well. And the theme has been developed by AN Themes, and AN Themes are elite authors. The theme came into existence in last year only, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. And Gridbee is a WordPress theme is a simple and fresh way to show that share the story of anything with everything. So it is very good, wonderful WordPress theme. And if you want to give your users the ability to create posts from the front end area, then Gridbee theme is the perfect solution for you. So these are some introductory messages for Gridbee theme, and we are going to overview the complete features and functionality of Gridbee WordPress theme. So I am sure you are not going to decide any theme without understanding its feature. So it is very good to understand the features and functionality of any theme before you decide, and for this you need to watch this video until end. So let us start the installation of Gridbee WordPress theme, and I have this fresh installation of WordPress with me, and I believe you have already taken the domain name and hosting for you. If not, you may follow the link given in the description and take a suitable hosting plan along with the domain and the theme itself. Okay, so let us start the installation. I have this theme pack. In the theme pack I got documentation, the main theme file, licensing, sample data, and the child theme file as well. So we are going to use this Gridbee -wp zip file for our installation process, and this is being the installable file. In fact, to begin the installation we have to be in the appearance section of WordPress and click on themes, and here we need to add a new theme. So by default 2022 WordPress theme is active here, and we are going to add new theme here. So click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose Gridbee wp.zip file. And if you have direct access on your server, you can directly upload the theme to WP content themes folder, and it is going to be an easier method if you are having direct access either through the file manager or FTP. So gridbee.zip is the target file, and the file size is just 4.03 MB. It is not going to take more than 10 seconds in uploading, and it depends on your internet and server. In fact, once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. The extraction brought this Gridbee WP zip folder in which we got all the components of theme, and now we have to delete this zip one. It is already extracted. Coming back to the theme screen, we have now this Gridbee WP theme as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is Gridbee WP version 1.3. As on date, this is being the latest version. When you are ordering the theme by following the link given in the description, you might be getting an updated version. So let us activate this theme. Upon activation, we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins to get the complete features of this theme. Let us see what is here. So only 2 plugins has been marked as required, rest are recommended plugins. So one click demo import is here for importing the demo content. This is one time use. This theme also supports the WooCommerce, so you can use this theme for selling your product and services, and WooCommerce is available here. This is navigation menu, meta box and MailChimp for creating subscription, and front-end publishing pro is here. So this theme offers the front-end publishing option, like your visitors can publish the content at your website. So this is being the plugin for that. And Deva's WordPress live search is here. Contact form 7 is always available in themes for creating contact form, and Gridbee Theme core is the main plugin that is going to be used, and thumbs ranting is also a main plugin. That this Gridbee theme core has been developed by the original theme developer, I mean the N themes. Okay, so let us install all these 12 plugins, and this can be done in a single click if your server is having a good potential. Okay, so there is an error in installing a theme, so we can come back to the theme installation screen, and I will install plugins one by one because okay, themes. So we can begin installing plugins, and we can check the installed plugins, in fact, because there was an error. However, it has been installed. We can try to activate this first of all, because this is core plugin without which also plugin has been activated, so this is not a trouble, and we can install list of plugins, I believe. And critical error projection. Okay, so it is thumbs ranting is having some trouble, so we can go to the plugins and begin installing plugins. What I'll do, I will install plugins one by one to avoid an error, as you can also do the same. And we can activate contact form 7 is here, and activate. For rest, we can try to install all plugins in one go if it is not returning any error, but this is something which is not being supported to install all the plugins in one go. So let us install plugins one by one, so it will not take much time. And we can simply install plugins and activate these plugins one by one. However, it should be done in a single click, but somehow it is not working, and our additional few minutes are required on this screen for installing the required set of plugins and even recommended plugins as well. And you can see the speed of server that we are using and offering to you, so you can consider taking a better hosting plan for your WordPress website, because this is being the main decision for running your website smoothly, because server is the integral part of website, of course. So we have installed all the plugins, and simply coming back to the dashboard, and the theme has been installed, the plugins has been installed. It is redirecting to the WooCommerce setup page, but we can skip filling this in these information because it can be done on later stage. And this is the dashboard. We have installed all the plugins along with the theme, and it is time to take a look of our website, how it looks. So this is the basic look of Gridbee WordPress theme, and yes, it is of course without any demo content, and at this stage we have to import demo content to make a target website like this. So coming back to the plugin, so coming back to the dashboard, we need to explore. So here is the option import demo data, and we have all the choices here, so you can choose any of these pre-made website as per your choice and requirement. So I am choosing the very first one, considering it default one. I'm importing the very first one. Click on import demo, and at this screen some additional plugins has been advised, so we can skip this. And now importing demo content is started. So it will take some time, and you have to wait on this screen without refreshing the page or hitting the back button. It all depends on your internet speed, the server capacity, and all the dependent things. So your due patience is required here. However, you may check the import process by opening the media in another tab, and we can have some indication here. So as of now 9 media items are here. I mean, the demo import is going fine. This is a simple indication, and it should be increasing while the demo import is going on. It is 9 for now, and we can refresh this page. This is media library page, and now it is 24. So it is simply increasing, and on another tab the demo import is going on. Don't disturb this tab. So you can check on media items in media library tabs. And after 2 or 3 minutes I got this wonderful message that import is complete and everything is fine now, and we can visit our site. Okay, so these are the posts already available, and this is the complete website. And it is wonderful that we got all the images as well, and the content sharing website is complete, and add post option is the major option that is available, and you need to give membership for this, and this is being the main feature. It is working fine, and every section and segment of this theme is working good, as we can see. Okay, so it is somehow on the developer side, and there are some external links, so be careful. You have to remove these external links. I mean, you are ultimately going to make post at your own, and it is of course going to be a complete website for you. Okay, so wonderful, and we have completed our installation and demo import as well. Now we can check how many media items and all, because so ultimately we are not going to use these media items. It is just for demo. So 85 media items have been provided in the demo, and let us see what is here in addition to the media items. So we can check the pages. 18 pages are here. So basically WooCommerce page and account page, this is very important. And so my account page we can check, because this is being a membership website, and this is the my account page that you are going to provide your users, and everything is here, and the users can check their activities here. And okay, so let us see what is here in addition to basic features of WordPress. And the WP recipe maker is here. This is basically for the blog website which is based on food and rest of things. Okay, so front end publishing pro is additional here, and we can use this feature for creating front end publishing form, and we can create forms by clicking on the so this can be done simply by clicking putting the form name, and rest of things are as common as in WordPress blog website, so nothing to show you a special. And the front page works with the blog post, and you can simply start posting and all the contents will be changed here. However, just in case if you want to edit the front page look and feel, you can work with the edit post option, and this is basically okay, so it is nothing is here somehow. So I'll show you the customize option that can be helpful for you. This is the customize screen, and all the settings should be here. Site identity, homepage setting, theme options are here. So this is the main control for your website. So this is header setting, and as I said, you have to remove all external links. Subheader setting, block settings, ad settings, and style like general setting, main color you can change, footer shop, and footer copyright. Okay, so everything has been summarized here, and you will get all the things for your blog website. And we created this demo site in this video, so I believe you are going to create a wonderful blog website using Gridbee WordPress theme. If you have any question regarding this theme, you can get in touch with us by following the link given in the description, or post your queries in the comment section of this video. Let us meet in our another video in which I am going to bring wonderful WordPress resources for you. Thank you.